today I've decided to rearrange my room again. And it's a way for me to clean din the things or the sides na hindi ko masyado nalilinis on an everyday basis. This is how my room looks like right now. It's kind of okay lang. Hindi naman siya messy, but medyo messy lang siya. This side, ibabalik ko lang actually siya sa dati kong arrangement, pero hopefully I'll be able to do some more styling. So I just remembered this would probably be the last time that I'll be able to rearrange and decorate this room since I'm moving to Manila. So wala lang. Ito muna yung room tour na ma-provide ko sa inyo ngayon. Sana din sa bagong room ko makapag-design din ako ng maayos, and I'll give you guys another Pinterest-inspired room tour. Sana maging maganda yung magiging itsura ng room. Nakakasad lang. Iniisip ko kanina kasi yun nga, last time na actually yung ibang clothes ko napack ko na rin. Kasi alis na dapat kami. Kaya lang pahaba yung quarantine. And so, parang naisip ko, wala, let's decorate this room for the last time. Wala pa ako masyado namumuno. Pagod na ako. Break time na pagod na ako. So guys, this is a continuation of my room transformation room tour. I don't know which one I will name it. But I'm trying to figure out which stuff I'm going to put here para sa blank wall ko. I don't know. Wala na ako. Kasi before I had my rack here, yung sa clothing rack ko. But I decided to take it out kasi wala. Like, nag-pack na rin ako ng ibang clothes ko. So, wala na akong malalagay doon. And so, as of now, ito pala yung ginagawa ko. Help me! What can I do? So this is the end result of my room. I placed this bed back here sa side na to. And in front of it is my TV. Medyo large siya for that space kasi ito yung gagamit ko sa bago kong room. Ginamit na rin namin siya ni Wax. And then, I put up yung Christmas lights kasi I like it kapag gabi. But as of now, morning pa naman. So, tinurn on ko lang siya for you guys to see how it looks like. For the desk, ito yung ginagawa kong side table. I have here my books. It's a combination of the things that I haven't read. And yung ito, favorite ko kasi to. Yung kay Joyce Mayer na You Can Begin Again. And then, this one is the diffuser I bought sa Miniso. This one costs like 1,000 pesos lang. And then, itong diffuser din ata yung tawag. Hindi ko alam. So, para hindi naman medyo blank, I decided to put yung frame ko. And then, for the desk, I want this to be solely for yung mga schoolworks or anything. Before, I had a mirror sa likod netong laptop. Pero, nakaka-distract siya. Parang nag-end up, masyado ako nag-focus dun sa mirror. So, I decided to remove that. And then, this one, abubot. I have here my planner. This one is from Stradivarius. I liked it kasi you know how much I love marble. And medyo malaki siya. So, hindi ko alam kung papalitan ko pa siya. Actually, matagal ko na siyang ino-own, pero hindi ko siya masyado nagamit. Then, yung girl boss, sabi ko, ang ganda niya tignan na accent or decoration. So, nilagay ko siya dito. And then, this one is from H&M. This was supposed to be a candle holder, I think. But, wala akong candle. So, ginawa ko siyang pen holder. And then, yung ibang pictures namin from New York, sinabi ko lang dito. So, that's my desk. And then, for this side, it's a combination of yung ring light ko and then yung mga luggage namin ni Waki. This one is his. Tapos, sa likod nun yung akin, yung white. And then, duffel bag na LV. And then, wala kasi ako paglalagyan na itong Gucci na, paper bag. Ang cute lang niya, kaya kinip ko din siya. So, ayan, yung side na yan. Tanan! For this side, ito yung medyo nahirapan ako kasi before we had a clothing rack here, kaya lang nakapack na yung clothes ko and so wala na akong malalagay doon. I decided to put dito yung mga mirrors ko para kunwari beauty corner ko siya. Kunwari lang. And then, para hindi masyado blanco dito, nilagay ko din yung frame ko dito na nandun sa... Saan ba siya before? I forgot. Silabas ko rin yung boots ko para hindi empty din yung side na to. And then, yung fur naman, actually, it's a pillow cover, pero I used it as a designer in here. And then, nilipat ko din yung Ricky mirror ko para if ever, dito na lang ako uupo. So, hello! Nilagay ko din pala dito yung electric fan. Kasi hindi ako usually nakakatulog ng walang electric fan kahit na naka-aircon. Gusto ko yung hangin, yung feel ng hangin pag natutulog ako. So, yeah! So, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!